It is Saturday, June 25th, 2011. This is where the garage is going to be. The orange lines, which you may not be able to see, are where the guest house is going to be. That's where the porch is going to be, and this is the main entryway. This is the living area, living room, which the hallway leads to the laundry and our master area of the house. Over there is the kitchen. Which leads to the hallway to the pantry and the powder room. The guest bedroom. And there's going to be the bathroom. Small little bathroom. And my office. We are doing cypress today. That's the pool. That leads to the master bedroom. And over there is the bathroom. This is the closet, which is also known as the Cypress storage. And this is the yoga room. Right, Emily? And the laundry room. And that is our fabulous 15-foot door. Pocket door. That's it. We'll see you when it's done.